Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my gaming series. Wait one second, let me just close the door. Sorry, the door's being creaky. So, I just am going to turn the volume off for now because I was watching back my last recording and, you couldn't really hear my voice. You normally can't hear my voice because I have to scream, because this is not how I normally sound. Like, if you're with me face to face, you'd be like, oh my gosh, you sound so different, because I don't know what it is. It's just like, it's all the background noise and, okay, good, there's no screaming. Okay, so, I am just going to be doing some gaming. I already lost a minute talking about that. Okay. Super Sword, Wind Rider. I'll do Temple for you, that's fine. Although you don't get a lot of gems, I don't think. Guard. I've always wanted one of the stars. Okay, which these are not. What? Okay. What? Okay. That's so easy. Consider. Okay, shedding it first. Oh, feathers is called mold. Shaving, molting. It's like I forgot what it's called. Convex is called nectar. What? Candy? Wait, I'm so confused. I have no idea. I love that face. How is he? Is another. I have no idea. Okay. I probably got last place. I was terrible. I'm sorry, I don't know all this stuff. I mean, I really don't. I do not spend hours looking for this information. What? Okay. Can you find the Great Sphinx? Egypt. I am not that dumb. Where do Africans live? Where do Africans live? Where do giraffes live? Africa. Oh, now I'm dancing the fox dance. Oh, okay. Sorry. Which is the largest bony fish? Okay. Sunset. Yeah, now I'm hopping. Is that good? Whoa. Sorry. Okay, cool. Okay. The Canada. I'll just say, no, I want to say Asia, but okay. The toucan's bill is small and dull. Origin culture, okay. Oh, I have a phobia of snakes, so that's not a good thing. I'm getting kind of bored. Whoa, glitch. I've been noticing a lot of glitches lately. Splash and dash, hedgehog, eat on the falling quick. Thanks. Okay, I used to be addicted to Gem Breaker. Tabula, Over Final Phantom Fighter. I guess I could do all this stuff. No, that's kind of boring. Well, it's not boring, but it's boring for you guys to watch. I'll just use some Best Dressed, I mean. It's kind of fun. I mean, it's really fun. So, I just said this. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna put together a random outfit. I'm just gonna click. Okay, I just saw me and that, and I think that is adorable. I love when wolves wear them and foxes wear them. I feel like they look kind of weird like that. I love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, let's just go. I keep saying the wrong things. Okay. Dress up the craziest. Okay. Do yellow splotches. with red and blue. Definitely turkey hat. Neck, I'd probably say this spike collar looks the bulkiest, but it's just one. Oh, I only have 12 seconds left. Jeez, okay, I'll just. No, I just went. Oh my god. I need to do back. Oh, great, okay. So then, legs, those. Did I get them on? Yes! Or did I? I don't know where I am. Okay, I'm right there. Yes, I got them. They look kind of great. Okay. Waiting for others. This series is so much fun. I just like commentating. Ooh. Oh, of course I won first. Yeah, I won first. But after I had to stop, I won first place for the saddest. I just did all white for the saddest, and they voted for me. And I was like, okay. I wish I was a kangaroo. I've always been. So I'd be like, whoa, a kangaroo. I'm gonna vote for it. What's up the happiest? Okay. Oh, looks kind of happy, but I don't like it on Fox. Don't be offended. I just don't like it on my Fox. I, yes, am obsessed with Fox. I love them. I think they're adorable. Oops. It's kind of happy. I want ice cream. Actually, I don't think so. Did I get it? Did I get it? Looks like it's difficult. Okay. Happy. You look happy. Okay, that's my happy face. Okay. So. I guess you guys are getting kind of bored watching me play Best Dressed, but I like it. I'll probably do one other game. Maybe Splash and Dash. If I don't get third place, yep, I'm quitting. Didn't get third place. I know, I'm just so. Okay, no, it's not that bad. At least I don't think it is. Okay, just because I want to get 23 games. Give me. If you have any game requests, just put them in. Oh, hello. Oh, I can play burglaries. Oh, I guess that would be kind of cool. Oh my god, I need to get. Okay, let's just play Splash and Dash. I was like, why am I play for? Oh god, because I usually play Demodraby and I'm not good at Splash and Dash. And I have Pro on there. If you're wondering how to get Pro, I got this idea, not the idea, but the how-to from, I think it was Love Lost? I'm really not sure, but I think it was. I don't know her, no, I do not know her. I think she quit because she got hacked. I was there when she got hacked. Like, I saw the hacker, it was Scourge. She told us. And I don't know why she did that, but it's so dumb. But I don't even know why she hacked Maletta, which is Love Lost. Maletta 385, and oh my god, she's so sad. Because I loved her. That was like, she had the first club that I ever visited, Animal Jam Flash. Like, oh my god. I expect so many memories. Okay, we're getting to 10 minutes. Not bad, but I kind of want to hurry this up. I'm probably going to make like gaming thing 100s. I'm not going to make it any more follow-ups. I keep getting banged. This is cruelty to animals. It is. They should know. I am getting banged by things in the ocean. That's just... I should get a founder's hat for my bravery. What? Okay, well at well, I guess it's exactly 10 minutes. So, I just wanted to shout out to Mellow at 385. She's probably not watching this, most likely, but Infinity Magic Hero is her buddy, and Infinity Magic Hero subscribed to me, at least for now. Oh, she was here when this came out, so maybe, and she was here when I don't know. I don't think she, but she did quit, but I mean, it's just so sad. But shout out to her. I mean, if she's watching this, I really don't want you to quit. You really inspired me, and I just loved your Animal Jam Flash, and I really hope you come back, and I know all your friends will be there for you, and maybe if you get a few friends to, you know, start a fund, maybe you can regain what you got. So I'm not saying fully, I mean, she has like beards and beta eyes, so beta, sorry, whatever, beta. I call it beta. I don't know why it's not how you pronounce it, but I say beta, but it's really beta. Okay, so anyway, so I hope you come back to Animal Jam. I really look up to you, so bye guys.